Hey guys, Hardik Patel here from eComHardy.com, and this is the part 3 tutorial video of how to create an e-commerce website with Shopify. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create the collections of your products. So now you see here on the Shopify dashboard, I go to under the products, if you select collections, you see here there is only one collection available, which is homepage, which is useless collection. We don't need that collection, so we just simply select that collection and delete that collection. Okay, I want to create the whole new collections. If there is no other collections available on your Shopify, then it will show up something like this. Simply click on create collections. You can name your collections. If you're selling t-shirts, you can name like t-shirts. If you're selling jeans, you can name your collection as jeans. In my case, I will like to create a collection named jewelry making kits, and you can also provide some description if you like to. It can be always be helpful in terms of SEO purposes, so I would always like to add the description if I could. So these, you can add more words as well. Now under the collection type, I would select automated instead of manual, but if you're just selecting manual, you can always create the manual collection and you can manually select the particular products you want to add to this collection. In my case, I want to create the automated collection, so by adding some rules, it will automatically add those products to this collection. So I'll select automated, and under the conditions, there are two conditions here. Products must match all conditions or any condition. I will go with any condition here, and instead of product tags, I will go with product title. Okay, and the product title is equal to or starts with, ends with, or contains. I will go with contains, and I will write these keywords. I'll also add another condition where product title contains jewelry making kits. Okay, and third condition is jewelry making or something like that. Fourth condition is jewelry beads. Okay, and another condition I can add is, this time I can choose different thing, maybe product category to jewelry set, jewelry holder, jewelry making kits. So this is different spelling than this one. This is American spelling, this is Australian. So what I'll do is I copy that spelling as well, and I'll add another condition where I want to add to product title contains jewelry making with different spelling. I think that's it for now. Next part is, you see here, because we added the description here in the search results, it will show something like this one, your website URL, the title of this collection and the description of this collection. If you go right side, you can go to manage collection and you can add or remove any particular sales channel you want to. Also you can add the image, so I click to add image, and maybe I can add this image for now, and then theme type would be default for now, and then save changes. Once you make the changes and save it, you see here the products are added automatically. And if you want to have a look at this collection at any point, you can always have a look by going to view here. So select and view, and you see here under the jewelry making kit, there is small description here, and there are nice products which comes under the jewelry making kits category. So that's how you create the collection. You can create the multiple collections. Like, let's see what other products we have here. Okay, nice. So we have birthday dress as well. So what we can do is copy this one and create collection, birthday dress, automated. You can write the description. For now, I'll keep it as it is. Maybe I'll save this image here. Okay, and I can use this image for this particular collection as well. So I add the image. Under the automated section, select product title contains birthday dress. Okay, and any condition is okay. Then make save changes. Once you do so, it will start adding all the birthday dress categories. Sorry, all the products comes under birthday dress category. So you see here, now if I click to open that particular collection, you see here all these products coming under birthday dress category. Nice. That's how you can create all the collections. Now second thing is, if you want to create, so this is the menu. So if you want to create the collection menu instead of catalog, what you can do is you can go online store here, and under the online you go under navigation and click onto the navigation. You can add your own menu. So add menu, this is the collection menu, okay, and maybe add menu item. You can search for the birthday dress. Second thing, add. Second thing is jewelry making kit, so you simply search for jewelry making kit and add, then save changes. So this is your menu. This menu, if you want to use anywhere, so you see here collection menu, you can add how many menus you want, or even in that particular menu you can add how many menu items you want. This particular menu you can use it anywhere on the front end of the website, so like here, at the footer, etc. So that's it. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. In the next tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to start modifying your front end of the website and make it look much better compared to this basic setup. That will also show you how to make it more beautiful and more converting to the website visitors. So stay tuned and check out my next tutorial video. And until next time, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye bye.